listening to Tim's Free Mind. If y'all like reggaeton, check this song out. It's pretty chill. I'm about to go into Craft Burger to pick up my order. Alright, I am back at home. Here is my burger. I decided to double back to Craft Burgers by Shane. You saw this in my last vlog. If you watched it, it was so good, I wanted it again. Probably just gonna chill out tonight and watch some Netflix. We do have a snow advisory, so I wanted to get out tonight because I know tomorrow I'm not gonna do anything. If it snows, I'll definitely pick up the camera and share that with y'all. This right here is just a little concoction I like to make when I have sparkling wine or champagne. So that's just champagne, a little cranberry juice, and orange juice. It's just a really good cocktail if you like, you know, carbonated champagne, sparkling wine type drinks. I'm about to just sit here and yes, my Christmas tree is still up, but I'm about to sit here and watch some TV and eat my food. I wanted to show you guys that I am watching Dr. Foster. I'm actually past season 1 and episode 1. But anyway, guys, I've already watched this on Netflix. If you like shows or movies about marriages, problem in marriages, infidelity, this is it. It's so good. I'm watching it again. It is on Netflix and it is called Dr. Foster. I told my sister about it and she absolutely loved it. It's a little crazy, but it's very, very entertaining. So I'm about to watch some of that and eat my food, and I'll pick you guys up real soon, or if it starts to snow. They were not lying, guys. It is currently snowing. It's so beautiful. Have ice already frozen back there. You can see the beautiful snowflakes coming down, which I love. That is just so awesome, so peaceful, and it's really not that cold. I think it's in like the 30s. I'm about to cook breakfast, or I should say brunch, because it's after 10. Yeah, I'm so excited. It's not a real winter if it doesn't snow, so yay. The camera is not gonna do it justice. These are huge snowflakes. Let me see if I can catch some. I can't. But they are huge snowflakes, guys. It's so pretty. Look, they're melting. So cool. I love the snow. Officially snowed in. It is very pretty. Let's take a closer look. Ooh. Very nice. Totally covered now. The ground pretty much covered. The trees. Hey y'all, so I'm about to make some French toast, and I thought I would share these simple ingredients if you guys didn't know how to make it. So you're just gonna need an egg mixture. This is egg, milk, cinnamon, and vanilla. Some bread of your choice. I'm just using regular white bread today, but brioche is preferred. And if you want to make your French toast prettier and crunchier, you can use just traditional Japanese breadcrumbs. I'm not going to be using this today. And brunch is always better with a mimosa. So cheers. Let's start cooking. Oil and butter in my pan. This is my egg mixture, and I didn't add sugar because I'm going to put powdered sugar on top of my French toast and syrup. So I don't like to put sugar in my egg mixture. You just want to take the egg mixture and put it on a plate. You're going to dip your French toast on both sides like this. So dip on both sides like this, and then transfer it directly to the pot. You should be cooking on a medium to medium high heat to get that nice sear on each side of the toast. And you can see it's cooking. I'm gonna give this like a minute or two, and then I am going to flip it over and cook the other side. Once it's done, I'm gonna put it on this rack and put it into my oven so that it can remain crispy while I cook the others. And then we'll plate it up. All right, it's been about 2 minutes, and now I am going to flip. Okay. That's what you want. All right. Yes, looking good. That's how I like my French toast, with nice and crispy edges. I'm gonna let this cook for another 2 minutes. Transfer it there, put it in the oven, and then I'm gonna do the rest. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit when it's all done and plated. It's hours later. It is after brunch, and it is still coming down. Definitely gonna be snowed in today and possibly tomorrow too. Guess we'll see. Plan for today: do nothing, eat any and everything, and just chill out. This candle from Home Goods, it smells so good. It's a masculine scent, but it's not too strong. So I'm just about to chill out, vibe out. All right, snack time. When the last time you guys had bugles? And love these Junior Mints. Still trying to find something good on TV. Currently watching another show, but I don't know if this is gonna be it. My kids went out and played, so. But the snow is still coming down. Y'all probably can't see it. It's pretty light. And when I think of winter, this is what I think of right here. Snowy days, snowy nights. Yep. All right, y'all, so here's what I decided to do for dinner. These are little non-veggie pizzas, flatbread pizzas. I actually have a recipe video for this. I'll link it. I think it's ASMR, so I'm not talking, but it's pretty easy to follow. So I'm gonna pop this in the oven on 350 for about 8 minutes. I'm gonna make a little side salad and call it a day or a night. All right, and I decided to make a little side salad. This is just like, you know, copycat Olive Garden salad. It has black olives, tomatoes, banana peppers, Parmesan cheese, some green onions, spinach, and iceberg lettuce. That's a little mozzarella as well. But yeah, just a little salad to go inside of the small flatbread pizza. And I'm gonna put Olive Garden's Italian dressing on top. So I'll show you guys once it's all plated. So here's the finished product for dinner. That's my flatbread pizza and a little salad. That's it, y'all. About to eat. I am drinking a ginger ale and I'm gonna add some lemon juice to it. If you guys have never tried this, it is super refreshing. Ginger ale is already good like by itself, but with a little lemon juice, it's even better. And I'm gonna add a little ranch to my pizza. Yep. Y'all, I decided to make the smallest little Coke float. I haven't had one of these in a very long time. So this is just gonna be my little nightcap. Gonna have me a little Coke float. To me, Coke floats are so much better than root beer floats because it's not as sweet. So I'm gonna eat this, watch a little bit more TV, and then I am going to go to sleep. So thank you guys for watching my snowed in vlog. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.